In today's video, I'm going to teach you Notion integrations and add-ons. How to connect your tools and extend Notion. If you've ever wished your favorite apps could talk to each other and keep your work in sync, this is exactly what integrations and add-ons are for. Think of integrations as the bridges that connect Notion with other tools, and add-ons as helpful extras that extend what Notion can do right where you work. Let's start with integrations. Their main goal is to connect Notion to tools you already use so information flows automatically and your workspace becomes a centralized hub. You can bring live views of issues from platforms like Jira or GitHub directly into a Notion page, so your team doesn't need to jump between tabs. With automation platforms such as Zapier or Make, you can set up triggers and actions. For example, create a new item in a Notion database when an email arrives, or update a task in Notion when it's completed in another app. You can also sync databases with tools like GitHub or Asana so status, assignees, and dates remain consistent across platforms. For advanced needs, Notion's API opens the door to custom integrations. That's where developers or IT teams can tailor connections, and where enterprise features come in, such as user provisioning via SIM and secure single sign-on using SAML. A quick tip: before turning on any integration, confirm permissions, map fields carefully, and test on a small database to prevent duplicates or mismatched properties. Now, add-ons. These extend Notion's features without heavy setup, and many require no code. Browser extensions are especially handy. Save to Notion for Chrome is like a supercharged web clipper. When you save a web page, you can pick the destination database, apply a template, and set properties like tags or priority as you capture. Setting up a reusable template for articles or research makes this incredibly fast. Another example is Snippo, a Chrome extension designed for YouTube note-taking. You can control playback speed, grab screenshots, and drop timestamps that link back to the exact moment in the video, all while your notes are organized in Notion. It's great for courses, tutorials, or research. Some add-ons live directly inside Notion. Notion AI is built in and can draft content, help with email wording, summarize meeting notes, or clean up formatting based on your existing pages and databases. Use it to quickly rephrase tasks, generate outlines, or extract action items. Here's how they fit together. Browser add-ons are installed in your browser and connect to your Notion account, while built-in features like Notion AI are available inside the app. Start small, pick one workflow to automate, and one add-on to try. Keep an eye on permissions, follow your workspace policies, and you'll streamline your setup without adding friction.